We just called them on in. Bring these guys in. There's food down here, guys. Don't be so wasteful. Well, pigeons hate waste. See, they get right in there. Is this all you? This is all there is? Where's your brothers and sisters? They're not here, huh? Oh, you got some hops, General? Here. I'm gonna give you some dumpage. Just dump it. We'll see what happens. Oh, they didn't like that. Oh, we got some scaredy pigeons. You gotta be brave to get the food. You gotta pass me, the Nancy troll. I guard the Nancys. You really gotta fix your recipe. It's coming out like birdseed. We still got the hurt pigeon. He's in his box over there. I think he's in his box during the day. Anyway, he was out here yesterday. He's got a little buddy. Not sure if I'm going to put out that video or not, because it's pretty boring, but most of them are pretty boring anyway. But he's still here. I think he's doing well. He picked up a friend. His friend stopped by Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I think it is, from 2 to 5. That actually might be his friend right now. No, I can tell it's not, because he looks like a featherneck. And you have all of your feathers, sir. Hey, General. Here. There's a little dumpage for you. Oh, yeah. Come and get it, buddy. Look at all the bird seed in there. What I meant to say was, look at all those sunflower seeds in there. Well, that's it. Yep, all back to their pile. He'll take the red millet. It's good for him. These guys want the corn and the seed. Well, anyway, he won't give it up. Maybe he is the guy. Maybe your feathers have grown in a little bit. Yeah, he's going over there. You can, oh, there he comes. He coming back now. He coming back now. All right, there. She's not home right now. She's not home. All right, a little more dumpage, guys. Oh yeah, a little spread. We still got a good amount left here, pigeons. There's going to be a surprise. It's like a Mr. Beast video. All of a sudden, someone's going to win the magic prize of all that Nancy's. It's a beautiful day out. Everything's frosty this morning. But it's midwinter, I guess. It's supposed to be. Pigeons. I'm just coming in for this new cinematic angle. Because I'm a cinematographer. Look at all that sun glare. That's what you get for talking. Yeah, we just circling up pigeons. Look at these little guys running. We got a runner. We got a runner. Take him down. And by that I mean pour it out for him. Pouring some out for my homies. All my lost pigeons who get eaten by Mr. Hawk. I'm just going to tell my daughters, Mr. Hawk's got to eat too. Just hopefully not on my watch. Yeah, I'm just pigeon wrangling. That's all. Would you like some food over here? I know we're 4 minutes deep in this video here, but anybody? Any takers? Any takers? I know I'm right above you, so that ain't gonna happen. So let's just stop messing about here and give you a little bit of chaos. Ready, pigeons? Get it up there. Angle up. Oh, bam. Good job, pigeons. Good job. Way not to freak out. One more, though. Good job, guys. All right, pigeons. Say goodbye to all the other pigeons everywhere else, especially not here in America. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. And yeah, this is the guy that I've been seeing around here. So this little dude shows up and hangs out with a herd pigeon. Anyway, have a great day. I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.